Got to get it, Papa. Here I am, and today it's a brisk, cool 91 degrees, and I don't have any Mountain Dews this time. I haven't found a new one recently. Actually, I hadn't looked today, so we'll see. Maybe later on something will happen. A lot of people are complaining that it's been hot. They've been complaining that it's all hot. And they were saying, oh, it's as hot as a firecracker. And when I heard that, you know what? It is as hot as a firecracker. In fact, I'm gonna look for some firecrackers and some fireworks, because the 4th of July is right around the corner and we're gonna look for some stuff to blow up. Woo-wee! It's gonna be exciting and fun, and but we gotta check out some fireworks places around here. So let's go see. I can't do it in the car here. I gotta get out and actually walk around. And look at that. Well, actually, yeah, you can look at that. That's some mobile homes and some campers and stuff, but that's not really what I'm looking at. Look at that. Yep, here I am. Right off of Interstate 10 in Lafayette, Louisiana, and you can see the interstate right there, the cars flying all over the place, and we're gonna go see if they'll sell me some fireworks to see what they have. All right, now the store is open, so let's see. Ooh, and the doors are open, and look at that. Cool. You even have to use a ladder to get to stuff. But they're still putting things out. Got a lot of stuff. When you see the boxes that have things like Evil Priest and Scarface and where's Doomsday? I saw Doomsday back there. Yeah. Then you know you're in the right place. And this is like right when you walk in. And you kind of want, just seeing the boxes, you kind of wonder, it's like, well, let's see, if I get a bachelor party and a Yeti and the one bad granny, that's sounds like a party. I guess what I'll do is I'll walk around the whole place, and you might recognize some of these. Some of them come back year after year, and some of them change. That guy. Look at that. Oh, this is all 3D. Jungle Cat. And at this particular store, I believe most of them are made by world-class fireworks. So if you know that brand, if that's your favorite, then you'd be in good shape coming in here. Ooh, we got mobsters. Oh, there's the Yeti. Wow, he's 3D too. I just like the boxes. The boxes are pretty good. And the Fire Thief. I don't know if that shows, but that's 3D too. And it's got the the lectilinear is the technical term for that. Golly. Cats and Dogs. Extreme Machine. And remember, they shoot flaming balls so light fuse and get away. And I'm looking over here. There's some small stuff. Desert Smoke. This looks like a... Ooh, it's a beer pack. A beer pack. Pop one of those. Uh-oh. Emits showers of sparks. I'll set that down. Oh man, look, Mr. Turtle. Turtle. Oh boy, here's some of my favorites. The blazing farm animals. And they're paired up with the hen house. Oh man. There's some fireworks fun waiting right here. Ooh, what's this? Oh, that's a big old long piece of fuse. Wow, that's cool. And it's made in the USA. Zenith fuses, so you can get a big giant fuse and it'll be like Mission Impossible when they light the fuse and it dun 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 shh. Then you can pretend you're Mission Impossible. Wow, look at this thing. Ooh, it's little dragon guys. Oriental Dragons. Look at that. That looks pretty exciting. The flicker, she happens to be holding a a cigarette lighter and a car's blowing up in the background. So light fuse and get away, and it shoots flaming balls. So, oh, this looks exciting. The jumping fish. And look, here's my hand for scale. There's all these 3D ones. Dynamite is a 3D one. Ooh, the angry leprechaun. Yeah. You remember that movie? Yeah, it's like inspired by the film. Airstrike. That makes me want to go to the movie too. Oh man, these things are giant. Girl boss. There's some festival balls for those of you who just want a festival type atmosphere. But these are artillery shells. That's the artillery shell version. And then this is just premium. They're not festival balls, they're just premium. But they do shoot flaming balls. Look at these. There's the angry beaver style. The honey badger don't care style. Honey badger don't care. Bite your tushy. Oh look, these are a 3D puppy style. And he's got his glasses on too. Lots of options. Ooh, look those. The Excalibur style. One thing too is you can do this kind of deal over here. You watch them before you buy. So they had this preview thing. You go on Google Play and all that, and they show videos of the fireworks in action, and it's pretty cool. It's like because it's like all of them, it's like, oh, it emits, shoots flaming balls, and it's like, okay, but they do it differently. There is a difference from one to the other, and some of them, it's even how you load them and stuff. You get like the little launcher tube, like your mortar tube, and then you got your ammo that you light and drop in there, and oh, look at all this stuff. Oh, they got a punk up there, little punk. I just like the punks. I just get those and run around with them. And I still burn myself and stuff. But the growler, golly, yeah, these are like the little small batteries of them. As you can tell, because I'm holding it in my hand, that shows you the scale. But this is pretty awesome. 750 shots. Wait, watch this. Hang on. Oh, we're sideways now. We've gone sideways. But look at that. 750 shots. Yeah, these are just starting to pop out of the boxes and fly onto the shelves, so they can fly into your shopping cart when you buy them. And here's some of those cone style. World class cone number 3. Oh, and this is the ones, I like the ones that come with accessories. So you got like a little backpack sort of deal, and it's loaded up with all your stuff, and then after you blow it up, you can walk around in a fashionable style. Here's some giant bullets. A foreign policymaker. Oh man, there's some Frog Princess ones and a Frog Prince, so you can get them for both of your friends. All y'all getting married and stuff, there you go. That's all you need. And there's some alien heads inside here. Or is this an alien or a frog? Yeah, that's an alien. That's an alien in there. I poked him in the eye, I'm sorry. He's gonna shoot flaming balls at me. Oh man, look at these. Let's see, you get a cool souvenir when it's all said and done. After it blows up and stuff, and I guess his eyes and his nose and his brains all fly out. This stuff shoots out of his mouth, and then you save the skull for more fun. I like the ones that have like a fun aspect to them, where you have like a souvenir after you're all finished. And look over here. Oh look, the family truckster. It's chock full of stuff, of explosive fun. Oh, and I found one of these before. I don't think mine had a rainbow rainbows on its mane, but it worked pretty good. It would shoot stuff out of his hoof there, or her hoof, and then out of its ears, just like a real unicorn. There's a dragon. I'm not sure where all the flames come from on him. You have to check that out on the website, I guess. The flames obviously will come out of its mouth, but and it's got Google eyes. So, here's some old favorites, just regular little rockets, stuff like that. Uh-oh. Here's Mr. Poop. I don't know if I want to touch these, but yep, that's a bin full of poop. Yeah, look at the big spender. Little convertible car. That's pretty awesome. I want some the old favorite snappers. But look at all this stock that's waiting to be pushed out. See, that's where we are in Lafayette. So they made it to the right store, and they're soon going to be unpackaged and put all over for firework excitement. Oh man, here's some good ones. Oh, I remember Circus Peanuts. Oh, it's the poopy section. We got Circus Peanuts and Poopy Puppies over here. You pick your favorite color, because they got blue and red and green. Can't beat a Poopy Puppy or a Circus Peanut. Oh man, there's some stuff back here. Oh my gosh, what do those things do? I'm not sure, but that looks pretty exciting. Here we go. Oh look, I might have a new favorite. It's the skunk. Oh wow, look at this one. So we've got his little gas mask on. Oh, they're all different. Wait, what do the red ones look like? Uh-oh, look at that one. Uh-oh. There you go. There's your surprise. Ooh, great balls of smoke. See, that's a smoky one. It's just jumbo smoke balls. Those are fun. Oh, I like these. They look like real life hand grenades, but they're just smoke, and they're plastic. So when you play army, you can have those, and the good old traditional smoke balls. Yep, sparklers. Oh, there we go. Air pyro. And it's got quite a payload of fun inside to explode all over. Oh, I like total destruction. And the wow factor. Okay, now I'll have to show you this, because that's my hand for scale. It's that deep. Goes from here to here, and that's a lot of fireworks, man. That's zippity doodah. Yeah, the wow factor, that's impressive. Well, that's it. They're getting completely loaded up, and they're open already, so you can come in and get some stuff if you need some giant bullets and stuff. They got all these things. And look that! There's a panda in that truck. Look that. Well, here I am again, right on the side of the road somewhere. But look that. I'm going to visit the firecracker man, Angelo himself. No, actually Angelo won't be here, but I am going to go see the firecracker man and see what they got. And I'm right here in Jennings, Louisiana, right off of Interstate 10, conveniently located. Let's go see. Okay. Oh, and look that. The whole thing. Oh, there's a official Joe Dirt fireworks.
Yes. We even have his picture.
Official zippity dude. Wow, and look. Happy 4th. It's the Joe Dirt special.
Yep, it's called Zippity Doodah Best Show.
When there's the IPA.
Our IPA pack, it's 144 shots.
Golly, and that's huge.
Well worth it.
Now I like how a lot of the stuff has like the 3D.
Yes.
Now it's like I want to get one just to save that because the pictures are so neat.
You can save them, yes.
Mm-hmm. That's neat.
All of our 500 grams along the wall, our cakes, all go up at least 60, 70 feet up in the air.
Oh yeah.
And they spread. They have a spread as large as this building as well.
Wow.
So you get a really massive show.
Oh yeah. There's a lot. And they all have different themes and stuff.
Yeah, you sure do.
Yeah, and over here, watch, I can even show on the TV because they have the previews. You can.
Yes, sir.
'Cause I used to always laugh when we were little. We'd ask, it's like, oh, well, what does this one do? And they'd say, well, it shoots up in the air and pops and sparks. And it was the same thing for everything. But when you watch them, they really do look different.
Now we do
they
have
really
some
are
new
different.
products that you can pull up on YouTube, and we have barcodes selected along some of the tables.
Oh, okay.
You can scan the barcode and see it on YouTube.
Oh, okay. So you can bring your phone and watch it that way.
Right.
That's neat. It's so different than it used to be. And they have so many different things too. There's and I love the pictures and stuff on them.
That is an amazing show. It's colorful.
Mm-hmm.
It does your red, your blue, your yellow.
And you got these, yeah. Yeah, we used to have the you had firecrackers, you had bottle rockets, and then you had like the big rockets, and then like the little tubes that would shoot things.
We do have the
sparklers,
tubes.
and that was about it.
We have some amazing growlers and Excalibur that shoot up in the air. They're tube loaded, and they're extremely loud.
Oh wow.
And then we have all this back here. It's all artillery. And if you want a mixture of cakes and artillery, then heavy duty is your way to go. And
oh yeah.
Also, this one here is also really good because you got multiple cakes, but you have artillery up here.
Oh yeah, okay.
This here is an Excalibur up here at the top, along with all the cakes. So you get artillery as well.
Oh wow.
Fountains.
The Gravedigger.
Yes, it puts on an amazing show. We bought one and set it off, and it was so much fun to watch.
Mm-hmm.
It was amazing.
That's cool. I always wonder how they come up with the names for them, because they got to make them sound different and they got to make them sound exciting.
Exactly.
This one's been around for a while. Yikes.
Yes.
I like that one.
Employees used to work for Matthews and Son Funeral Home. So this became our favorite, and that's why we bought it, because him and his wife were both grave diggers.
Oh wow.
So
Oh seriously.
it made it fun. But guerrilla warfare is amazing.
And they got some swords. Oh, that's a princess one. I don't want to touch that. This is the swords you can battle, and lightsaber style, depending on whether you're evil, or you're a Jedi or a Sith or whatever. We'll do a walkthrough. There's some Pac-Mans. I call them Pac-Man. That's not right. They're emojis now. Ooh, wow. Tortoise, it's a 2-pack, or you can get a 1-pack. And guess where you light it? And then he goes, pew! Hot dog. There's some ladybugs. That's different. They're a little smaller than those other ones, I think. Oh no, they look the same. Some racing cars and some army tanks. Oh, and these things. Spaceships. Artificial satellites. That's been around for a long time. They haven't changed those too much. Oh, and those things. Tadpoles. Oh, and look at that. Thunder bomb. And that is a big, giant wheel of explosives. That's some serious stuff. And these packs, the Black Cat firecrackers, that's classic there. You get the roll of them, or you could get the belt of them. Uh-oh, and we come with a poopy section. You got the exploding, oh yuck, I didn't wipe my hand off. Anyway, they got the poopy pile or the poopy puppy. We all know those are a perennial favorite. The tanks, a whole box of tanks. You have like a whole squadron. Some good smoke balls, smoke grenades, except these are colorful style. Look, you got purple. Oh man. And they have a real metal ring for you to pull to set them off. The gingerbread man. That's a staff favorite, by the way. But the gingerbread man. He's a gingerbread man. And here's the snow cones. They are as delicious as they are explosive. Taco Tuesday. There you go. Now you're talking. And it's showers of sparks, just like real tacos. Oh, I like this one. I like the artwork on it. Eye popping. I don't know. He's got like blood flying off his tongue and the stuff. The guy's seen better days. Yeah, but look at these. Now, if you go back and look in the old videos, I had a dragon kind of like that we shot. And the cool thing about these is you finish with them and you have a little toy to play with after. So the fun never ends. And the same thing goes for the unicorn. It's like you pop off their the top of their horn and you light it, and their brains shoot out all over the place. Plus, there's a little surprise in the back that shoots out. Now, I like these. There's some patriotic stuff. The Screeching Eagle. He's pretty cool. He's ready to screech. And let's see. I'm not sure. He might. I don't know if he screeches from down below or not. He might. There's a con. This is the con that I had some of that back in for New Year's. I forgot which one we had. I think I had this one, Americano style. It's like coffee. It's like you go through Starbucks and this is what you get. Exploso. It's extra delicious. The neighbor hater. It emits showers of sparks and it's loud. And look these. Oh wait, here's a single one. They're super heavy because they're jammed with excitement. And they are explosives, just so you know. But that's a jumbo M5000. Yeah, you can take that to the bank. No, don't take it to the bank. Just take it outside and ignite it. There's some little dynamites from Black Cat. Boy, here's just a whole bunch of loose ones. Mighty crackers. Let's see, these are colorful, but ooh, I'm not sure how that works. It's like a pack. It's like, oh, you throw it in a campfire and it makes it all colorful. Well, gee, that's swell. I like that idea. If you have a campfire, that's pretty cool. We got all kinds of stuff. Just take your pick and load up. And remember to use caution and light fuse and run away. Especially if you're doing that neighbor hater. And look that. It's the Chitty Bang Bang fireworks. And it's right over here. So we're gonna go check into that. And that's Angelo's right next door. They're neighbors. And over here in Jennings, right off of Interstate 10. But this is the old traditional style fireworks stand with in a big tent and everything. They got a wide variety, and I already see some different things that are pretty cool. Here's some the good old champagne party poppers. Those are classics. And look, oh wait, this is different. It's the cousin of the poopy puppy. It's the naughty dog. They look remarkably the same, but it's the naughty dog. And oh, we got a big tank. That's a big boy style tank. Oh, an official grave digger. And I guess, like, man, stuff shoots out all over the place. It shoots out the front, out the top, out the back. Cool. And look that. For all you Star Wars fans, that's as good close as you can get. And they'll fly around. Well, those back in the New Year's. Oh, these are cool. So just genuine firecrackers, regular old firecrackers, classics. Ooh, the blow pop. Roman candles. I forgot about Roman candles. Yeah. Oh man, this is cool. This is the scatter gun. Look that. It's a fountain style one. And there's Noah's Ark. I don't think it emits showers of animals. It's sparks that fly out. Yeah, sparks. It emits showers of sparks or sparking animals. Oh, and look that. It's twitchy. Yeah, this, I don't know. We're in Louisiana, we're getting close to hurricane season. They're talking about something right now, way out in the Gulfs. So we're gonna have to watch for that. Oh, and look these. A giant fire hydrant of firepower. There's some assortment kinds. And this is party time right here. You look no further than party time. Get a little bit of everything in there. Let's see what else we got. Oh, this is happy family stuff. Oh man, this is a major deal that spins around. That's pretty cool. See, it wants to spin already. You'll see familiar faces when you look for fireworks. Maybe old friends. I'm trying to figure this one out. The shocker. Man. I wonder how long it takes for you to get that expression off your face after it blows up. But they got some pretty good ones here. Some different ones. Oh man, it's the skull. The skull. And they come in different colors. There's an old familiar face. That's just a familiar mask or headgear, whatever you want to call it. This is the Bat Out of Hell set. It's got 9 of these tings that blow up. Yeah, and look, I just discovered something. Besides the fireworks and everything, at this particular stand, they also have this. Guess what all this is? You might get a hint from the little sign down there. It's detergent. It's like bulk dishwashing and clothes detergent. There's Dawn and it's concentrated. So you can get that and it'll last a long time. You think how much Dawn dishwashing liquid you use, and then you cut it. There's some Dawn coconut body wash. Oh yeah. Oh, there's some, yeah, Gain laundry detergent and bleach. Yeah, Tide, Arm and Hammer, and yeah, this shows. But this is something different, and
this is Downy.
Yeah, Downy.
That's Downy.
And that will last you a while because it's all concentrated. Unless you're real messy and go through a lot of clothes every day. It might not last you too long, but that's something a little different at this particular at Chitty Bang Bang out here, right out by the interstate. You can see through the wall there. See the big trucks passing. That's the Interstate 10 right there. Well, have a safe and happy 4th of July, and we'll see you next time on Look Dat.